Hi, this is Shalu, and today I'll be showing you the review of Real Nature Kelp face mask. Just have a look at it. It looks like this. It is a South Korean based mask and it has got a single sheet. You can see the this is a plant called kelp, and this is actually kelp is a seaweed, and it is great for skin and the hair. So today I'll be showing you the review of Real Nature Kelp face mask. It's written that purifying sheet mask with kelp extract tones tired skin, chapped and stressed by the elements, leaving it smooth and clear. And the directions are as follows. So I'll try out this kelp nature Real Nature Kelp face mask. So I'm going to open this packet. This is my first ever face mask which I ever tried. Oh, it's pretty watery. It's got a lot of liquid. So I open it. Put it properly around the eyes. Oh my goodness, I just love the smell. It's awesome. This is, darlings, my first ever face mask ever tried. Sheet mask. I'm already feeling so nice. The smell is incredibly good. You can see my fingers are all wet. This mask is supposed to hydrate my skin because kelp usually hydrates your skin. Apply it nicely. Put this on top. Oh, my lipstick came on it. Oh, my lipstick came on it. It's alright. Place it nicely on all sides. And I have to leave this now for 15 to 20 minutes, but I'm going to leave it for 30 minutes. Okay, let's see the timing. I'm going to keep it for half an hour. So 5 minutes to 1, and I'm going to keep it till 120. So half an hour. You certainly can't talk when you apply this face mask, and see you later after 30 minutes. I'm back after 30 minutes, and I know I'll look pretty funny with my lipstick all over my face, and now I'm going to remove it. This is my first ever sheet mask with kelp. This is manufactured by Face Mask. Okay, so after 30 minutes I'll be removing it. Oh my god. It has even ruined my lipstick. Most comforting part is to remove little liquid from it, and I'll be applying it on my face and keeping for another 1 hour. You even have some liquid in the my skin feels very soft and moisturized. And this is manufactured by Face Shop company, and my skin is so glowing and soft and nourished. Oh my god, I'm going to definitely wash my face after an hour. The only drawback in sheet mask is that you don't ever get to apply on the neck. So I'll apply some of the liquid on my neck. You even get some liquid in the packet, so you can apply that too. And this purifying sheet mask, it tends to leave the skin smooth and clear, and after washing it will definitely keep my skin more hydrated and smooth too. I think it's an amazing product. I definitely use more sheet mask in the future. It is formulated without any additives of parabens, triethanol, amine, propylene glycol, tar colorant, and mineral oil. It doesn't have any of these. So I give a big thumbs up for this real nature mask. It has not left any redness in my skin, which most usually many sheet masks leave redness, but this is absolutely, I'm feeling very smooth and clear. Also helped in my eye circles, and I'm very happy with this product. And it contains minerals and antioxidants, mineral substance which you get naturally occurring in the earth, and there's hundred of uses in the body. Well, as antioxidants, they are substances which help to protect the cells from free radicals. And what are free radicals? Free radicals are the ones which it helps to protect against cancer, heart disease, and free radicals, they are broken down by food, which is contaminated by radiation and pollution, and they are these molecules which are called free radicals. And definitely kelp, the seaweed, helps to protect ourselves from free radicals, to protect us from many diseases like cancer and heart disease. So I think it's a great product which we need such products which are really essential for our skin and helps us from all types of diseases. So I give big thumbs up to kelp, and this is my first ever application of kelp, and I'm so happy. Skin is totally nourished, and still I'm feeling soft and smooth. Yes, the fragrance does evaporate after the application of the sheet mask, but after removing the sheet mask, I definitely get the fragrance a little. So after 1 hour, I'll be washing my face. I'm very happy with this product. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe and comment. Be kind. I love you.